Homework 21. We had to describe the scatter plots. That I've got number 1 is linear with negative strong.
I wrote moderate. That's.
They said the answers vary.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, what do you have? Number 2, I have linear, positive, strong.
Yes.
Number 3, I have non-linear.
No. Linear, moderate, positive.
Remember for the third one?
Yeah.
Okay.
It seems a little bit to the right. It's positive.
I can see that it's positive, but it's not very.
It's not. Then you go to the other one and it varies. So.
So the other one's non-linear.
Yeah.
And same with the last one, or the.
So I use the same linear, moderate, positive.
Okay. So on the question, which of the following best describes the relationship between the two variables? If the correlation is negative 0.997, I put C. There's a strong negative linear relationship between the variables. Okay.
Yes, the C. Yes.
So were you able to create a scatter plot?
Yes.
My description was, I got the data appears linear with a positive association, it appears strong. And then my sample correlation was 0.843.
Yes.
Okay, and then compute the sample variance. So that's where I.
Okay, so, well, I need to open my.
If I open mine, I've got mine right here, I think. Is that the real?
Yeah, but I don't know if I remember exactly where. I need to check it. Let me turn off my camera because
okay, I've got. If you can you walk me through it?
Yes, I'm going to open.
Okay, because I've got mine open.
Okay. Okay, I think when you go. Remind me there are two options when you click on options. Remind me right there.
Analyze and graphs. Our two options are square footage.
No, I think it's on the analyze the bivalent.
Correlate bivariate.
Yes.
Okay, and then I've got and then you go to options.
You go to options. It's the second one.
Cross product deviation and covariances. Okay.
That's it. Okay. You click on it and you have the. Okay. When you run it, you have the covalence.
Oh, okay.
Say it one more time. Okay. So.
Covariance.
Michelle, say it again one more time.
Covariance.
For Jet.
Oh, do you want me to? The steps.
The steps.
Analyze, correlate, bivariate, options. Click on in the statistics box, cross product deviations and covariances. Okay, so then I have it, but I still don't see the right answers.
No, there is a new box, a new table, and you see the results on both sides, and that's where they are connected. And that box you have covariance
Right.
above and and below.
Okay.
I think one is on the right and the other one is on the left, and you have a number. It's the same number. That's the covariance that they are looking for.
Okay, but it's a big, huge number.
Yes, it is. It's like 178,852,397.
Okay, but that's not what they had on the answers for the homework. Because that's what I
Whatever.
got when I did it by hand.
Well, but don't worry about that, because I do it by hand several times, and it's always different because of I don't know how they round it. It doesn't say anything about the rounded.
Right. So, I mean, the answers in the homework were, I can't remember because I didn't write them down.
But I trust the SPSS.
Okay. So what are the answers then for 12? Or that, whatever, my numbers might be out.
The number that I got in SPSS is 178,852,397. Okay.
Okay, well, 852, where'd you get that?
852. You don't see it.
I've got the 178. I don't see your 397 either. So what? Did I do something wrong?
Are you? And the result, actually, the result on the solutions is 178,852,397.
Right, and I can't find those numbers. I see 178, but I don't see.
How do you scale the data? Do you have on the X axis the square foot, and on the Y the
list price? Yeah.
The list price, okay.
Yeah. And I've got this correlations box.
Correlation box.
And I have a sigma two-tailed, and I have the Pearson's correlation, sigma two-tailed, sum of squares and cross products, covariance, and n.
I think that's the one with the covariance.
Right, and I get the 178.
And more.
Right.
178. Only that?
178,852,397.
And that's the result.
Oh. I thought they were looking for 3 different numbers.
No, only one.
Okay, that's where I'm wrong. I'm like, okay.
Okay.
I got it. I'm just dumb.
Okay. And that's it. That's the answer. That's
okay.
Fine.
I was thinking, why are there 3 numbers?
No, yeah, there are several numbers there, but the only one that you want is this one.
I know, but the answer looked like there were 3 separate numbers for the answer.
On SPSS, correct?
Yeah. Well, on the homework. So I was trying to find 3 different spots.
Oh, no. Numbers. And if you go to the formula, it's R, the correlation.
Right, I did it by hand, and I got this big, huge number.
And it's similar to this for sure.
Yeah. So I did get the right. I mean, I did it by hand. Okay, thank you. That. Sometimes my brain is not that right.
We are finishing the semester.
It's hard. It's a tough one. Okay. So then the next one, do you want to go through the next questions?
So we are now analyzing a sample of Saturn vehicles. And in this case, we have variables about the price and the number of miles shown on the odometer. So we use this data to answer the next questions. So we need to create a scatter plot with mileage on the X, and then in the Y, the price, correct?
Yeah, I don't know if it matters so much. I've got mileage on the bottom and price on the side.
No, It matters because it matters because it's a linear moderate negative association, and that's the correct answer. And the
Well, I've got weak negative linear.
the negative, and what about the correlation coefficients?
Negative 0.687.
That's correct. So the association must be negative.
Yeah.
And it's linear. It's a little bit, yes, we can say linear to moderate or weak, the association. So you conclude, I conclude that my description was correct because R is negative with moderate to weak association.
And I put that it was, I said I put that it was weak, but it's debatable because it's more moderate. So,
yeah.
Okay.
And actually it's more moderate. As you see, it's 0.6, negative 0.6. And then you compute the sample covariance. And you use the same formula on the SPSS.
Okay.
And the answer was minus 126,615,794. And I think that's the same on the solution.
Okay.
Let me see. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Well, now that I got that figured out.
Jessica, are you with us?
Okay. We ready for the quiz?
Yes. Okay. Okay. So let's jump to the quiz. Quiz.
Okay.
Group meeting quiz. Start quiz. Okay, it's true. Normal probability applet for what?
If you need it.
Okay, so we have the Old Faithful.
I'm trying.
We use it.
I'm trying to open Old Faithful.
You guys still can't hear me,
now.
right?
No, we can hear you.
Hello.
What'd you do?
I took out the headphones.
Now we can hear you.
All right, good.
So
if you wear that, you have to wear a shirt underneath it, a white shirt. Find a white t-shirt to put underneath.
Okay, so we have two files. I'm
trying to open one. It's taking forever.
I'm going to save it already on the. Okay.
Oh man.
Okay. I already saved it, so we can start. Are you ready?
No, mine's taking
1 second.
Load.
Okay.
So when you guys were doing the sample covariance just now, were you finding the answers in SPSS or did you have to times them all yourself?
The answers were there. I just wasn't doing it right, so I did it by myself.
Okay, because I didn't, so that's when you said options, cross product, and covariances, that was the extra step that would get you that answer?
Yeah.
Okay, because I didn't do that extra step and I was computing it by hand and I was off by like, on each one I was close to the number, but off enough where I would get it wrong on a test for some reason.
Yeah, and that's why it's better to use SPSS to calculate.
Yes, definitely. Sorry, I'm almost there. I had SPSS set up and then it took me out of it.
Okay. I'm ready when you are.
Okay. I'm ready whenever you are. Jessica, you tell us when.
Okay, just one more minute. I'm so sorry.
You're fine.
Okay, I'm ready to start.
Okay, so number 3.
Yes. Number 3, the correct correlation coefficient is used to quantify what?
Well, it's the direction and strength
Yes.
of a linear relationship, right?
Yeah. Yes, it's negative or positive, and weak, strong, and moderate. Okay.
Hold on. So we're going with number
4.
4 on that one. No,
No.
3. The direction and strength of the linear relationship.
Yes. I was seeing question 4 already. Sorry.
Okay, so I'm trying to write my answers down.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, if the correlation coefficient is negative when one variable increases,
And the other variable tends to decrease. I think that's the one. If it was positive,
this way.
mm-hmm.
The other variable tends to decrease.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. The effect of the outliers on the correlation coefficient is not significant.
False. Yes, it is.
Yes, false.
It can change. It can change the result of the correlation.
Okay.
I read that. And
Okay, so input the correlation coefficient into the Old Faithful. So I've got it.
okay, let's go to the Old Faithful.
So we're going to correlate by Verda. How do you say that?
Correlation coefficient. Okay, input correlation coefficient. Mm-hmm. Okay, so let's open the file. So we don't need the graph. We can go to correlate.
Right.
Bivariate. And it's options. You can choose statistics both. Continue. Okay. And I got 3787.98.
For the correlation?
Yes.
No, the correlation.
No. Sorry.
901.
Yeah, 0.9.
Sorry, I'm on the
You're on the wrong one.
Okay,
It's,
so then how did you get the other number though?
It's right
After you
there.
got to the point of finding 0.901, then what did you do?
Did you click on that one box in the options when you ran the test?
Yes.
So, because it should say covariance.
Okay, I'm going to go back and do it one more time.
Yes, you go
Okay,
to
so
analyze,
we're going to analyze, correlate,
correlate.
by Verate. Okay, and then
Yes.
what do I click
Click
on?
on options.
You choose the two, yeah, but you choose the two variables, okay?
Yeah, I got the two variables in there. So then I click on means and standard deviations.
No.
And cross product. You can choose both, no problem.
Choose both. Okay.
Yeah, no problem
See, I
with that.
didn't read that.
I didn't
thought
either, and I spent too much time trying to find that.
Okay.
Oh, what a help. Okay. Thank you.
It's 13.978, correct?
Covariance, 13.978. Yay.
Okay.
But we,
I'm happy now.
okay, so number 7. What is the direction and strength between the duration? It is positive and strong, right?
I have to look at a thing.
Well, we can look at that 0.901. That's almost.
Yes, 0.901. Okay.
yeah, it's almost, it's
Yeah,
certain
so that would be
positive.
positive and strong.
Yeah. Positive and strong.
Okay. So we're on question 8 now.
Mm-hmm.
Match the scatter plot with the correlation coefficient. Okay, so number 1 looks like a really strong positive, like a point.
R
Is that a
equal to
1?
1.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
the 1, huh?
So number 2 is number 1. Or number 1 is,
Number
I don't know
2.
if you have the same.
oh. Okay, so you think number 1 is R1?
Yes.
R1, yes.
Okay, so then number 2, I think it's the one right below it, 0.95.
Yes, I believe so.
C, I don't know. Come
It's
back
not
to that.
negative.
C,
Well,
it's 0.
Yeah.
You think that one's 0?
Yeah, it's non-linear, so it's,
Okay.
I think so.
And 4 is -1.
Yeah, I would say so.
Yes, -1 for sure.
And so the 5 is the point, or the -6.6.
Yeah, 5 is the
No, 5
number
is the
5 is
negative
0.95, right?
0.95.
Yep. Sorry, I didn't scroll down. Okay. And then
And
6.
So the only one left is 6.
6 is -0.6.
Okay.
Okay.
So just to clarify, we have 4, 6, 5, 1, 2, 3.
I don't have that. I have, what's your first number on?
4.
No,
No, I
it's different.
What's the answer? I've got R equals -0.95.
No, I
Oh.
think we have different
Order?
orders. Yes. So what important is that we got the results.
Okay, so let me read through mine and tell me which ones you put for that. So I've got R negative equals -0.95, and I've got number 5 for that.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, and I've got R equals 0.95, and I've got number 2 for that.
Yes.
Correct.
Okay, R equals -0.6, and I have 6 for that.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
R equals 1, and I have 1.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
R equals 0, I have number 3.
Yes.
Yes.
And R equals -1, and I have number 4.
Okay. Great.
Okay.
Good. Okay, so for the next 2 questions, do the mouth, open the file, and input the correlation coefficient. Okay. Get that? Let me see if I can do it right this time.
done?
Not yet. You're not aware of that? Okay. Get your breakfast going. Is Dad still sleeping?
Okay, so are you guys there? Were you able,
Mhm.
for the correlation coefficient, I got 0.728.
Okay, that's
Let
what I
me
got.
see.
And then, so that would be what, I would think that would be negative and moderate, but
How much? How much you got?
0.728.
is that positive and weak or positive and
I would
strong?
say that's pretty strong. It's not weak.
But I don't. What is the question?
What direction strength between the score?
No, the correlation. Correlation
Correlation coefficient.
The correlation. It's 0.728, correct?
Yep.
Yeah.
It's positive,
Strong.
almost strong.
Yeah, it's way closer to 1 than to 0.
Yeah.
But I'm going to see the graph. Okay.
Okay.
Just
Oh, that's a
to
good idea.
have an idea. Let's see the graph. So it's the score. What is the x? The x and the y?
Score and confidence. There's only two choices. So
Yeah. It's about confidence rating. Let me try this way to see.
Okay.
If I saw it without the coefficient, I will say moderate, but
What did you put for the y-axis?
for the y I put confidence rating.
Okay, that's what I put too. Yeah, I mean, it's definitely going upward, but
It's very scared. Yeah, correct. But I don't know. The R is
it's not weak.
no.
yeah.
Weak, no.
We
Weak
don't have a
for
choice.
sure.
Yeah. I
And
think
so we don't have a choice for moderate, so it's either positive or weak.
Okay, so it's positive and strong.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I thought
So-
that we have moderate.
No, moderate's not an option.
Okay, so that's correct. 0.78.
So on number 4, question 4, did you guys get number 1? The other variable tends to decrease.
Yeah, that's what we put.
Yes.
Okay, I just want to make sure.
And we finished. It was very quick.
Yeah.
I'm
guess
going to
it's
submit.
easiest when that happens. I can
Submit. I'm going to.
Okay.
Oh, wait a
Okay.
second. I have 2 unanswered. Oh, I didn't answer the very first ones. That would be silly. Okay, true. True. Okay, so I'll submit. Did you guys do good on the exam?
Yeah, fine.
I got an 85.
I got an 83.
I was
Whatever.
happy with my 85.
So we got 100% on this quiz.
Great. That's great.
Okay, good. Now, did you guys already talk about our project?
I made wrong one.
Oh no!
What?
What'd you miss?
Question 6. What I did wrong?
Did you put 0.901?
901.
Oh no. I have to correct it. No.
At least it's a short quiz.
Yeah. So the the answer is
0.901.
0.901. I don't know why I miss it.
We can tell you the answers if you want to go through.
Yes, I'm going to do it quickly.
Okay, I'm going to stop the broadcast.
Yes, please.